sometimes it's less to move a term over and clean the mess. Do the inverse operation to progress. Add or subtract on both sides fair. Keep it balanced, show you care. Got that variable on its own side. Step by step, you'll turn the tide. Multiply or divide by +2. The inequality keeps pointing true. But if you multiply or divide by a negative sign, flip the inequality, keep that rule in mind. Less becomes greater, greater becomes less. Forget that rule and you'll make a mess. Open circle if it's less or greater. Fill it in if equal to comes joining later. Draw your ray and shade the line. That's how number line solutions align. A compound inequality comes in a pair. Two inequalities connected there. Look for n where solutions meet. The overlap at the answer sheet. Write it as a sandwich, come back to tight with the variable in the middle bounded left and right. Graph both parts and you will see the shared middle region is where they agree. If it's or, it's a different game. Either solution can claim its name. Graph each part and then combine. The union forms the final line. Sometimes both point the same way, you'll find.